I hope they believe in me, well, I don't really need them to. I'm a soldier, every battle I come across, I'ma see it through. Got folks that wanna see me win, more than wanna see me lose. But I can't help it, this something I did not choose. I'm really one of them.
Hey y'all, so this is my new series called Mommy on a Budget. I'm just going to show y'all how I save money by doing stuff at home. First is going to be the gel pedicure. Of course, we have to start off with the nail drill. We also have drill bits. I have the tornado one in triple extra coarse, and then I have a fine drill bit. I'm also going to use this buffer, mouthwash, gel base and top coat, of course, 2 gel colors. I'm only using one. The nail lamp. And then this right here is because I actually have a chipped toenail, so it comes with a kit. So I'm going to use this to fix it. And of course, it comes on with, like, you know, some powder, some brush on, I don't know if it's glue or whatever the heck. But this is a kit that I got off Amazon, so I can help fix that chip without losing my whole daggone toenail, okay? And lastly is going to be vinegar. Tap in. Now, let me go ahead and be honest and be really clear with y'all, okay? I ain't gonna lie, this shit is out of focus. It's out of focus. It is. I'm sorry. It is so out of focus, and I just couldn't throw this footage away. So you're just going to have to suffer through the pain. I'm sorry to tell you. So I start off with the Melody Susie Tornado drill bit, which is extra coarse. Now, let me tell you, it was a terrible idea. It literally makes no sense. It's not really going to get too much up off of there. And that's because the extra coarse is actually for getting off of acrylic. The fine one is better when it comes to gel, but I won't think about that, okay? So you're going to see me right now. I'm going to kind of be messing with it, and it ain't really going to be coming off like I wanted to come off, and I'm going to have a hard time. But now I switched to the fine drill bit. Now, you see me? I'm switching to that fine drill bit. It's coming off, baby. It's coming off. It's denting that look. Yeah, she's that girl. Okay, yup, She's that girl, period. So I went ahead, took that all off, just showing y'all a few little angles. I didn't want to show y'all too many angles because it's so out of focus that I didn't want y'all to suffer. Just being honest. But I go ahead and I take off all of the polish from that foot. Now I'm just trying to show y'all how I was able to get all the polish off of one foot, but the other foot, no. So I went back and I took it off with the fine drill bit. Now this is me pouring vinegar in it. I don't do no measurements because I'm black. Then I'm going to pour the mouthwash. This right here is for your pedicure, baby, okay? Now I'm going to step my feet in. I'm going to keep my feet in there for 15 minutes. I'm going to sit down, but y'all not going to see me sit down. And then basically all your dead skin, you can literally just wipe that shit off once you get done. You can just wipe it off. So that right there is your little life hack, okay? Now, here is the key that you girls be missing. You got to file your toenails, okay? Like, you have to file them to shape them, period. Now, you're going to see me buff this toenail because I'm about to use that kit. Now, I told y'all that it had a little crack in it, so I buff it. Then I apply the little glue up there. I'm following directions. It's my first time doing this, but it worked out, okay, period. I applied a little glue up there, and then I'm going to use it like a dip powder. So disgusting. I hate feet. Anybody that knows me know I hate feet, but I had to dip my toe in that thing because I was not going to pour all of that powder all over it. So you see me dipping, dippy, dip, 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 and it's going to drippy, drip, drip, drip. Period. I made sure to keep my toe in there and put my whole toe in there so I didn't miss any spots. Then I'm going to tap, 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 to make sure all of the extra powder comes off. Now, just fanning it to make sure it's dry. And then I'm going to go in again with the file. Now, this time I'm going in with the file to reshape because the first time I was only shaping my regular toes. I did cut them too, but off camera because that's disgusting. And you see me going in at the size and everything, right? I got gas. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to burp in front of y'all. Oh my gosh. Now I'm just going to buff all my toenails because if you know anything about gel polish, you need to make sure that it can adhere to the nail, so you do have to buff it to cause a little bit of friction. So that's what I'm doing here, buffing every toenail. Now I'm going to be doing the actual base coat. Now let me tell you, I had it on 90 seconds, but I did not pay attention, and it definitely said it had to be 130 seconds in order for it to cure. So I went back and I did an extra, whatever the fuck, 90, whether it'll get 130, but I don't have that on camera, okay? Now, what you see me doing is painting my toenails white. I just went ahead and skipped forward. Am I painting my toenails white? I'm not painting my toenails white. I'm putting my freaking foot in there. I don't care. Look, y'all know I be messing up, but that's what it is. You know, we real raw over here. So now you're gonna see me paint my toenails white. So I paint my toenails. Here are some pro freaking tips. I was trying to be real cute and I wasn't cleaning up the sides. And so what you should do is you should clean up the side of your nails. I mean, your toenails. Get that extra polish up off your skin so you don't have to do what I did later to get it off of there. And that's what's going to give you that look that you're really going for. And if you have acrylic nails, you can wipe the polish right on off because it's not cured anyways, okay? If not, wear gloves. So as you can see, I got a little bit on my skin and stuff, and that's not cute. I put my toe up there because it can hide under, and I didn't want it to rub away any of it. Now, this specific lamp, actually, you can take it off and put it right on top of your foot. This is me showing you what my toes kind of look like, out of focus and crusty, right? It's all on the edges of my skin. So what I did was I took the foul and fouled it off of my skin. I broke it away from the toenail, and then I fouled it so I could get that stuff off my skin. For the rest of the stuff that was on my skin, all you gotta do is take you a hot old shower and it'll peel right on off, baby. But thank you for watching. That was Mommy on a Budget, and get a gel petty with me.
Look at her.